Well, this is our vegetarian soup du jour. Potatoes and zucchini and carrot a little bit, and we've got some summer squash in there, and I found some, and we've got this nice rice base that Ryan made. We got a little guacamole going on over there with a lime going in, and I gotta put some more of that. That's dehydrated guacamole. I love it, except for it's $30 a bag. It's really expensive. But this is our plate up. I don't know what the heck these ashes are all about. Ashes all over the place. All right. Well, we got some freeze-dried, grass-fed beef, dehydrated beef of some sort. I don't want a lot of it. And we got tomatoes, and we got dehydrated tomatoes, and soy sauce, and honey, and Montreal chicken flavoring. Now that's way enough. All right. God bless this food. God bless this day.
God bless
Let us
you all.
find God, and God bless all of you listening. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.